I was wanting to talk about gay marriage and why I think it should be legal. First of all, where I live in South Africa, gay marriage is legal. It's been legal since about 2006. You're free to marry whoever you like here. Obviously that doesn't necessarily translate into social acceptance. Some people can be very intolerant, there are gay bashings, there are gay murders, but as far as the law goes, your relationship is recognized by the state. What I just cannot understand and comprehend is why, in of all places, California, what I would consider the most uber liberal place on the earth, you know, where you've got San Francisco and West Hollywood, and you know that gay marriage is not legal. I can't understand why it's such a big issue there, but clearly it is. I just believe that, you know, just because you have a religious belief or whatever belief about something doesn't give you the right to morally dictate to other people how they can live their lives. If two people want to have their relationship recognized by the state, what the fuck's it got to do with you? Please explain this to me, because I have a very difficult time understanding it. You know, they come up with all these like straw man arguments about, you know, it's marriage is for procreation, it's always been defined between a man and a woman, you know, it will destroy the family. First of all, let's get started, you know, destroy the family. I think a lot of heterosexuals have managed to do that without any gay people's help, so I don't think that's true. The second one, marriage is only for procreation. Then why do heterosexuals spend so much money on birth control and contraceptives? There wouldn't be a market for these products if that wasn't the case. Why, if marriage was only about procreation, why would heterosexuals spend so much money on not trying to get pregnant? It just makes no sense. Again, to me, I just believe you shouldn't morally dictate to other people how they should live their lives. No one's asking you to suck these people off or have sex with them or endorse their relationships. They're not banging on your door and asking for you to accept them. They just want a recognition of their relationships, and they have a good reasons to do so. I mean, you know, you have to file separate tax returns, I believe, and you know, you can't visit your your spouse or your loved one in hospital because you're not recognized. So for all intents and purposes, you're just a roommate. You're just sharing a dwelling together. I just think it's wrong. I really do. And I don't think you or anybody out there has the right to tell other people what they should be doing with their lives. It's wrong, you know. And I don't care what whimsical religious belief you happen to believe in. That doesn't give you the right to tell other people what they can and cannot do with their lives. You know, the government, you know, in America says separation of church and state. It's a free country. What business of yours is to tell other people what they must do with their lives? I just think it's very wrong. I mean, we could go on and on about this all day, but it boils down to the fact that you're telling people, you're telling the state who they can and cannot recognize as regards to relationships. And I just think that's fatally flawed and it's totally wrong. And your religious belief should not be imposed on other people, regardless of how true or untrue you think it is. So that's my opinion. I'm welcome to any comments and any suggestions. I do not have the time of day for the religious people and the people who think it's wrong. Please stay away from me. I have no interest in having arguments with you, so just stay away from me, please. But other than that, I encourage any comments you have, leave them below. Be happy to read them, and thank you for watching.